Hey guys, today we're going to practice our stars. I love to make stars. If you know how to make stars in a different way, that is perfectly fine. But I want you to try my way today. And then when we get to number 4, if you want to do it your way, I'm perfectly fine with that. So when we start off with our star paper, we're going to write our name at the very tip top. And I'm going to write Mrs. Tyson. That's me. So go ahead and write your name at the top. Next, we're going to start off with our number 1. Number 1's right here. And I've given you a big letter A with a middle line that's super long. Right now, I want you to practice making your letter A's with your big long line in the middle 2 times. And if you need to press the pause button to work, if I'm going too fast, feel free. Next, on these 2 end lines, I want you to do it on your own. So I want you to make a big letter A, capital A, with a long line in the middle 2 times. Next, we're going to move on to number 2. And in number 2, we have our big letter A, and I put an X in the bottom to finish off my star. So you can see it makes a star right here. So I want you to go and trace the line from 1 to 2 and from 3 to 4. And see, it makes a little X underneath. 1, and we're going to crisscross again to make our X. And this one at the end, you're just going to make your own X. So I'm going to start in the dot in the corner and draw my line down to my other dot, just like I did before. And then my other line to make my other X at the bottom. For number 3, we're going to actually make our whole star. So we're going to start off at number 1 and trace down to number 2. Start off at number 1 again. Trace down to number 2. We're making that big A. And then from 3 to 4. So now I have my big letter A with the long line in the middle. Now I'm going to go from 3 to 4 and 4 to 5 to make my X. So for this one, we're going to do the same thing. Trace it down to make my big A. And then I'm going to crisscross by myself. For this last one, we're going to do it together. We're going to make a big letter A, long line in the middle, and I got to make my X underneath. For number 4, you're going to make your stars all by yourself, and we're going to do the first one together, and then I'm going to let you do the last 2 on your own. So I'm going to start on my dot and make my big letter A with my long line in between, and then I'm going to add my X underneath. So I'm going to start on the corner here and make my X. These last 2 are on your own. I know you can do it. When you're done, bring it to me so I can check it and give you a sticker. Nice job, guys. Keep up the great work.